In this video, I would like to show you how to use regression with dummies to forecast. Okay, so let me show you the data set that I have. So I have monthly sales, I have the time period, I have the value of the sales. To this data set, I want to add two columns. The first column will give me the number of the year, like year 1, year 2, year 3, year 4, etc. And the second variable will give me the cyclical months, so months 1 through 12, and then starting from 1 again, etc. Okay, so I start with the data step and specify my data file, monthly sales. Okay, input file, monthly sales. Okay, and here I want to set my year period. Okay, now this will give me 1992, 95, 2005, 2006, etc. I want this to be 0 in 1992. Okay, so I'll start counting my years from 1992. Why 1992? It's arbitrary. Okay, you can use 2000 or you can use 1950. Any year is okay, but since my data set starts at 1992, I want to specify 1992 as year 0. 1993 will be year 1, 1994 will be year 2, etc. And then I want to specify the month of the time period. Okay, so months will be cyclical, 1 through 12, starting at 1 again. Okay, so let me run this. Okay, so again, I have my time period, value of sales, and as you can see here, I start at year 0. 93 looks like year is year 1, etc. And then the months 1 through 12, starting at 1 again. Okay, so then I can run a regression model. Okay, I can run a regression model using proc GLM. GLM stands for General Linear Models. Okay, so the name is a bit a kind of a mouthful, but that's what it is. So monthly sales run. So here, as I explained in previous videos, I don't want to use data before 2008 because there's a structural break. So what I do is I insert a conditional statement where the year of the time period should be greater than 2008. So my observations will start at 2009. Okay, so then I want to indicate my dummy variables. My dummy variables will be months. For each month, Excel will estimate a seasonal factor for each month from 1 through 12. Okay, and my model, regression model, will be value. There's going to be a level which I don't have to specify, year, and then month, and then I want the solution to be printed out. Okay, let me see if I'm forgetting. Okay, so the last thing is I don't want all the output. Okay, I want the overall ANOVA table. I want fit statistics, and I want parameter estimates. Okay, so this is all I want for now, and let's run this model. Okay, let's see, no errors. fit statistic was not created. Why not? Because I have misspelled it. So let me spell fit statistics. Okay, let me select this again, run. Okay, good. So these are the results. The significance F, that's highly significant. R square is almost 98%. Excellent. The intercept is the level. This is my trend. And these are the 12 seasonal factors. So SAS set the last one to 0, which is perfectly fine. Okay. So I can use this information to forecast the time series with seasonality by using these seasonality factors. So for that, I go to the Excel file, okay, and then here I need the years, I need the months, okay, so this will be equal to year of this time period minus 1992, okay. Okay, it says, all right, so I want this as a number. It got confused by the date, okay, and actually I don't want any decimals here. So, okay, year 0, year 1, etc. Okay, so this is my year, and here I have month. Okay, I want the month here. Okay. Okay, excellent. And then I can calculate level plus trend. Okay. So what is level plus trend? Let me go to the SAS output. This will be, let me select this. Okay. Control C for copy, Control V for paste. Okay. So the intercept is this. So I'll copy this. Okay. Equals intercept plus year times okay, let me put a dummy variable there. Okay, so I need this. Okay, copy. Okay, okay, so this is the level intercept and this is the trend. Okay, so actually I see two. Yes, that's correct. Okay, so this is level and trend. Okay, so you get the same number for every month of a given year. Okay, so how are months going to be differentiated? They're going to be differentiated by these. Okay, so this is let me format these numbers. Number use separators. Okay, so this is how the months will be separated from each other. Seasonality factor. So then my forecast will be level plus trend plus seasonality. Okay. So double click this. I say, okay, this equals this, and then I copy this all the way down here. Okay, so this is basically my forecast. all the way down here. Let me draw a graph of this. Insert graph here, select data, okay, add series. So this will be value. Okay, the x-axis values will start in 2008. Okay, from 2008 through 2017, and the demand values will also start there. Okay, demand values. Okay, here you have this. Actually, that's not entirely correct. Okay, I want them to start at in 2009, so I can easily fix that. I'll just pull this down here. Okay, so we have this. Okay, excellent. And then we can add the forecast to this. So select data, add. This will be our forecast. Okay, I'll skip X values. Y values will start here. Okay, go down all the way down here. Okay, all right, so forecast. Okay, so the problem is it wants the X values, fine. So the X values will start from here to there. Okay, okay, okay. So as you can see, the X and Y the actual demand and forecast almost overlap. Okay, so let me modify this. So this goes from let's say format axis. Let me make this 300,000. Okay, and again, they're very, very close, very close. Okay, so this is basically how you generate forecasts for your time series using dummy variables. Okay, one more important thing. So when you do this, I have used the entire data set. Okay, I did not leave a holdout sample. So what you need to do is you need to leave a holdout sample by restricting your data set. Okay, so for example, you want your data to be after the year 2008 but before 2007. So what that means is that when SAS runs proc GLM, it will not use your observations in the year 2017. Okay, so then you will generate your estimates. Okay, and then you're going to use them to generate forecasts like this. Okay, and then your forecast for the year 2017, how many you have? 6 forecasts. Okay, that will be your holdout sample. You can have a larger holdout sample. Maybe you can leave out year 2016 also. Okay, and then you're going to use these values to calculate your forecast errors. From the forecast errors, you can calculate the mean forecast error, indicating bias. From forecast errors, you can also obtain absolute errors, mean absolute deviation, squared errors, mean squared error, absolute percentage errors. So you can evaluate the forecast quality in the holdout period. Okay.